stations.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. We are now taxiing towards the Terminal 3 for proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you don't leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew captain Noel Cunanan and First Officer Alan Guya Garcia, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We wish to inform you that in adherence to physical distancing, guests will deplane by rows after the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please remain seated until your row number is called. Once again, for sanitation purposes, please bring your litter as you leave your seat. You may dispose this on the bins that will be provided as you leave the aircraft. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind. Thank you. For guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. And be reminded Without an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense.
Oy. Yung airplane na eh. Airplane pa. May pagdaw. Maganda na bot sa ulit. Okay, sana. Ito. Ako pa yung panabot na Manila. Boy. Pagituan ko man kayo sa expected ako pamati. Ila Julius mag-training sa kuwana malangin pa naman ban bito nyarakan lang station uang lagi ang station dapat 1 year station dapat pagod 1 year station at station 5 months lang kung wala mahal na pwede na asa ka nito Pinos naman may asong galing training
Tingnan dahil ko na ito, ito magtake, mag-jeep lang ko na pa doon, ito sa Quezon City. Ito ng agency, mag-tracking lang ko na ito, talaga papot sila, pagkasipot to, ato.
Hindi.
Kaya yun, ito, yun.
Kaya ko baghatod sundo.
Huwag ka, Christian. Get Southwest for level cross check.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
B1 sila silang.
For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.